Alright, so as you can see, the reactor is set up. The stir is mixing up the water. Not mixing up, but at least stirring up the water right now. You can see a pretty good vortex on the top over there. And I have just unscrewed the lid. I'm about to add the KALK washer powder, which is about 100 grams in about 2 gallons of water. So let's see. So the KALK washer is added. I'm gonna let it mix for about 15 minutes. And this is all going to be manual right now. And it's still mixing, as you can see. So a pretty good vortex on the top, which tells you that it's nice and slurry in there. So let it mix for about 15 minutes. Let it sit there with a good high pH for about 30 minutes, and then start the Versa pump, which is outside, that's going to pull the water from the RODI container into the reactor, and the reactor is going to feed right there, which is going to be about 1 ml per minute. So let's see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. So here, after a week later, what we see the results is when we started dosing, we were at 7.71 in low pH, and the highest pH I was reading at 7.78. A week later of KALK washer dosing, now I see a low pH of 7.75 and a high pH of 7.93. The way the dosing schedule has been working is 1 milliliter per minute for 4 hours and 45 minutes, wait time of 15 minutes to stir it up, and then again 45 minutes to let it, the KALK washer slurry settle down, and then start all over the process again. That's how it's been, and so far we are definitely seeing results where the pH is now actually creeping up to where it needs to be, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks we will continue to give you updates on exactly how this works. So far so good. Hope you guys like it, enjoy the video, and thank you for watching, and happy reefing.